right from time, what management call facility is what? Maintenance people. But by the time you are done with this program, you realize that maintenance is just 15-20% of what you do. But even though they tag FMs as maintenance people and leave all maintenance for us to do, we still do it poorly. We still do it in a reactive way where when something breaks, we go and fix it. We say we are doing what? Maintenance. Repair is not maintenance. Maintenance means keeping something functional. Keeping an asset functional, in use, operating normally, continuously. That's maintenance. And it's very different from allowing it to break and then saying, I'm doing maintenance. That time I'm now doing what? Repair.